What if I told you, your water filter might be missing dangerous contaminants like lead, PFAS, or chlorine byproducts? We sent 20+ top systems to an independent lab, testing for 100+ contaminants, flow rate, and filter longevity, and the results will shock every homeowner. One popular pitcher failed to reduce lead, while our number 3 removed 99.9% of tested pollutants while maintaining great taste. If you want truly clean, safe drinking water, this is the only ranking you need. Starting at number 1. ISpring Reverse Osmosis System. The ISpring RCC7AK 6-stage reverse osmosis system is a reliable and ultra-safe water filtration system that removes up to 99% of over 1,000 harmful contaminants like chlorine, fluoride, lead, arsenic, asbestos, calcium, sodium, and more. It includes an additional 6th stage, an alkaline remineralization filter which restores healthy minerals and produces a balanced alkalinity, giving your water a more natural taste than regular 5-stage RO water filter. The entire alkaline water filter fits nicely under a kitchen sink and is designed for do-it-yourself installation. It is rated number 1 for best tasting water by several different online rating organizations. Number 2. SimPure Reverse Osmosis Water Filter. SimPure Y7PBW is a 4-stage reverse osmosis water filtration purification system that is designed to reduce chlorine, PFOA/PFOS, lead, arsenic, mercury, chromium, TDS, fluoride, nitrate, and more. It is a bottleless water dispenser that requires no installation and comes with a full set of quick-changing twist and seal filters. With a 4:1 pure-to-drain ratio, it has the highest water utilization rate of any RO system on the market. Tested by SGS to meet GB/T 5750.4 to 2006 and EPA 537 standards, it is a reliable and efficient way to get great-tasting drinking water. Number 3. Waterdrop Reverse Osmosis System. The Waterdrop G3 Reverse Osmosis System is a tankless RO water filter system that is certified against NSF 58 for TDS reduction and NSF 372 for lead-free material. It has an 8-stage filtration process that can effectively reduce TDS, chromium, PFAS, fluoride, arsenic salt, iron, radium nitrate, calcium, particles, chloride, chlorine, and heavy metals like hexavalent chromium. It also features a smart display faucet with a TDS monitor and filter life tracker, and offers a faster water flow of 400 gallons per day. The 1:1 pure-to-drain ratio saves water waste by 300%. Number 4. Express Water Reverse Osmosis Filtration System. The Express Water RO5DX Reverse Osmosis Filtration System is a 5-stage water filtration system that reduces up to 99.99% of lead, chlorine, fluoride, nitrates, calcium, arsenic, and more. It is easy to install and comes with an emergency leak stop detector. It is customizable with quick connecting fittings and comes with on-demand support from experts. It is an environmentally friendly system that produces clear, natural-tasting water. Number 5. CuZn Counter Water Filter. The CuZn UC200 Under-Counter Water Filter is a 3-stage filtration system that utilizes microsediment membranes, KDF55, and coconut shell carbon to purify water without reducing the health-beneficial mineral content. It has an incredible capacity and lifespan of up to 5 years per filter and is backed by a comprehensive 5-year prorated performance warranty. It is simple to install and comes with CuZn's comprehensive install insurance policy. It is bacteriostatic and not susceptible to mold or bacteria growth. So which water filtration system will you trust for your family? Filter your thoughts in the comments. If this lab-verified review gave you peace of mind, purify that like button, it helps us test more. Want more home health truths? Subscribe. Next week we're testing air purifiers. All our top picks are linked below. Stay hydrated.